So I meant to show y'all this. I'm meal prepping for the week. So I think to go along with my crab cakes, I'm gonna probably have a couple of these, but I'm gonna just cook them all and just put them in the refrigerator. I'm gonna prepare some hamburgers and freeze them. And I'm just throwing these out for to make breakfast bowls. So these are bacon ends that I got from the pork shop here. And these work really good for when you're making like breakfast bowls. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take half of these two to make a couple of hamburger patties, and then the rest, I'm gonna leave it just to do like a crumble, you know, and when I want a breakfast bowl, I just cook my eggs and throw all of this in. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show y'all. For me, meal prepping I found for a couple of days is easy because I will get in the mood where it's like I didn't take anything out. I don't know what I want to eat. I don't really feel like going and taking something out and wait for it to thaw, and then I gotta go prepare it. So when I meal prep for a couple of days or just do like easy stuff on them days that I'm being lazy and I ain't take nothing out the freezer and I'm wandering around, I just go into the freezer, grab a burger or whatever, and throw it in the pan. The good thing about the burgers that I made and froze them, I don't have to take them out to thaw. I can just put them in the pan frozen and they cook just as good. So that is big for me, is you know, just making sure I have stuff that's quick and easy that I could just take out and put it in the pan or throw it in the air fryer or just reheat it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today as well.
Artlist.io.
Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a careful with your life, cause you know that it's okay. It's okay. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a careful with your life.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's okay. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. I ain't never really wanna flex my gifts, but I think it's my time. Let me check my wrist. You can never dim my shine, I'ma keep on grinding till I reach the top. When it's just in my jeans and I ain't looking back, cause I'm feeling like Chris, bro. They can never slow me down, but they need to hate me, now I'm feeling like Chris. Rock with the team, cause you know that we winning, we with it, we going, we flowing again. I might just go by a Benz, I might just blow my advance, whoa. I did it all for the
Artlist.io.
but I'm making a killing. I'm gonna break every ceiling, cause I need $1 million, but I don't need your money, you can pay me in respect. Cause once I do it big, what's to follow? It's a check. I need 100 days, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away, cause I'm next, I'm a threat. Oh yeah. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in
Music
danger.
licensing reimagined.
With your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't.
Here is my Korean short ribs in the air fryer. Delicious. So this is how I prepare my foods. And all I got to do now is just take what I'm going to eat today and put the rest in the fridge. So I hope this helps. And as I fix my meals and continue on with this carnivore, ketovore-ish way of eating, I will continue to come back to you and show you how I do it. Peace. Enjoy your week. Hello, happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. So I am breaking my fast. It is 6:31. I'm breaking my fast with some curry bratwurst I got from the pork store and 3 eggs over easy. These are just some meals that I'm coming to show y'all that 1, are easy, and 2, all you have to do, you can meal prep it as well. You know, you don't have to cook it the same day as you're gonna eat it. These are easy to cook. You could cut them up while they still kind of hard frozen and then pan fry them. If you got an air fryer, you could throw them in the air fryer. Um, Make the whole pack. Sausages are very reheated friendly, and just throw you some eggs with them. Whether it's scrambled, boiled. If you like boiled eggs better, you can even meal prep those and cook like however many you think you're gonna eat for the week. Put them in the refrigerator and then grab them and go in the morning. Maybe heat them up in the microwave for a couple of seconds or whatever, so they won't explode all over the place. But I'm just bringing y'all some carnivore keto meals that you can make very easily, and some of them you will have to cook the day of, but these I just made today because I just went and got them today. But I could cook up this whole pack, cut them up and put them in the refrigerator and eat as I go along. So this is what I'm having for right now for my first meal, and then I'll have my second meal later. So this right here will be my second meal of the night. And although the tomato sauce is not really carnivore, it's more keto, but I don't mind. I'm more like a ketovore, but more meat heavy. But when I want to use, like vegetables and stuff, or tomato sauce, tomato paste, stuff like that, I will use it. Now, not sure when I'm going to upload this video. I may upload it with this and it'll be in the front, but these were my stuffed meatballs. Basically, I want to say my ziti style, and they did not look the best, but I'm pretty sure they're going to taste delicious. So that will be uploaded probably with this right here of how I did my stuffed meatballs. I don't want to know if you think it's stuffed or not, but yeah, this is my version of the fact of the matter, as long as it tastes good. So what I did here was this is a mini meatloaf more than a stuffed meatball. I put it in this pan, drizzled some Rao's homemade marinara over it, and then topped it with some mozzarella cheese. So this is the spaghetti sauce I use. I really like Rao's because you don't have to doctor it up. It tastes pretty good out of the bottle. Whereas with when I used to use the spaghetti sauces and stuff from like the other brands, I would have to doctor it up with seasonings and sugar and whatever. But with Rao's, you don't have to do that. It's pretty good right out the bottle or the jar. You can season it if you want to, but you don't have to. So this will be my second meal. Not sure if I would make something else with it. I would have to see. But yeah, so I just wanted to bring you some easy stuff. And again, I did meal prep this. One thing when it comes to doing keto, carnivore, ketovore, meal prep can be a big advantage. And the key things that you want to always have eating this way is eggs, ground beef, ground sausage, cheese. What else? I think that's about it. Those are the main things that you want to have that you can meal prep, or even like make hamburger patties and put them in the freezer, make meatballs and put them in the freezer. So this way you don't have to do all that, if you coming in from work, or if you got young kids, or if you're just a busy person. You don't want to have to making sure you take something out to throw it out, and then you got to prep it to how you want it. This is something that you can do, over the weekend. You pull your meat out, you let it defrost, and then you go in and prep it, for the week, or for whenever you just snatch whatever out the freezer or the refrigerator, throw it in the pan and keep it moving. And so stuff like this is what I will always keep in my refrigerator. Sausages, link sausages, ground hamburger meat. eggs and cheese I try to keep around because I can meal prep those and put them in the freezer. And the sausages, I can make those all at once and put them in the refrigerator and eat off of them. Just heat them up and make some eggs and you good to go. And so that's what I've been showing. So if you're new here, my name is LaShawn. I forgot to tell y'all that, LashawnTerry. Welcome to the gang. Sit down, have a seat, look around, click that subscribe button if you're not, and that notification bell so you'll know when I upload, and give y'all some of these gems and what's making stuff easy for me to do this way of eating. And with that being said, peace. So here is my my stuffed meatloaf ball. It's pretty good. It's tender. I didn't heat it up enough. I need to take it back downstairs and put it back in the air fryer to heat up some more. But that's the way it looks. It tastes good. Very tender. Very dense. This right here be a meal in itself. Right here. So I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. Have y'all ever tried stuffed meatballs before? Let me know. Drop down in the comment box. And don't forget as well that I am an affiliate now with Keto Chow. I have a 10% off link and discount code. So click that link and put in the discount code LashawnTerry. And you get 10% off your order every time you order. It doesn't expire or anything. Thank y'all for your support. Peace. So hello, I'm back. I'm doing my food prep. So I'm making me some hamburger patties. Now this is whole muscle ground beef from Better Fed Beef and Swaggerty's All Natural Sage Sausage. I like this sausage because it's pretty clean. It's a pretty clean sausage, and I like the different taste. So normally I'll just season this up a little bit because the sage sausage already is salty, so I don't need to add too much salt. But this time I'm gonna add an egg and some of my pork rind crumbs. Now normally I only do that when I'm making a meatloaf, but I wanna do it for my hamburger patties. And then the rest is gonna be a ground beef for my breakfast bowls. So let me get through with that. So here's my everything mixed up. Also too, I wanted to tell you about ground beef. Ground beef can be lean. It doesn't matter if you get 75, 15, you know, whatever, because the grease cooks out of the burger, so it makes it less fat. So when you mix a fatty breakfast sausage or pork sausage with it, it adds to the protein to fat ratio, kind of, and you'll have more of a higher fat macro when you mix pork sausage with it, or even beef sausage. So here are my patties. I got 3 8-ounce patties. Normally I make them 4 ounces, but I figured I just take one out and throw one big 8-ounce patty in a pan. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer. And then this is 12 ounces. This is gonna be for my breakfast bowl that I will make between tomorrow and Tuesday. So there you have it. One meal prep out the way. So in my breakfast bowl, I will have ground beef sausage, crumble, like maybe 3 eggs, 2 or 3 eggs, and then these bacon ends from the pork chop. And then I just mix it all together So I will do a video of how I do it when I cook it. So the last thing I'm gonna prep and season up is these flat Korean short ribs. Not sure if my husband or son will want any, but I'm gonna cook these in the air fryer. This is what I'm gonna season it with. Redmond's real salt, smoked chef blend. I had to get more of that. And if they don't eat it, I will put it away and eat on it for the next couple of days.